Are you a video person, a motion graphics person, someone who is making media on your computer? You should probably spend some extra dough and get the Max chip, and let me tell you why. I spent the last 2 weeks speed testing 2 MacBook Pro 14 inches. One was the base model with the Pro chip, and then the other one was a fully beefed up Max chip. And the speed on the Max chip was just insane. Over and over again, consistently, it kept beating the Pro chip on everything. I don't think I've ever used a computer that is this fast and this responsive ever. And when you've got this type of speed, that translates to faster exports, faster rendering, faster encoding, faster working on your stuff right away from beginning to end, and having more time to do whatever you want in your own life. When you find out all the time combined that you sleep in 1 year, imagine 30 seconds here, 3 minutes here for these exports, and you're gonna have like weeks and weeks of time given back to you for your own quality of life. So just for that reason alone, I'm definitely down to just spend the extra money and get the Max chip. My entire 20-year video career has always been strapped to some desktop computer, G4, G5, iMac, something big and clunky. Last year when the M1 13-inch came out, I finally had a portable workstation that I could take around, and it was more powerful and faster than anything else that I had in my room, including the iMacs that I had spent thousands of dollars on years before. When you have this type of freedom and you can just go sit on the couch, sit outside, enjoy the day while you're still editing fast, it's like another world. It's a whole nother ball game that you're dealing with now. I definitely recommend it. Get one of these, try it out. Apple lets you return this stuff after 2 weeks, so if it's not working for you, then hey, whatever. You wait for the next iMac to come out with these Max chips in it, and once they boost up the RAM, these things are really gonna be flying. We have HDMI ports again. We have 3 ports on the Max, plus you don't need to use a port to charge the thing. It comes with the MagSafe charger now, nice and safe. It's like they listened to us and they gave us the SD card back again. I have been using that SD card so much with these YouTube videos. It's so easy now to just grab the SD card from the camera, pop it right in. It's got really fast transfer rates. I'm super happy. I'm just ecstatic that they brought all this stuff back. It's like my old friend has come back into my life. I know that us media people are gonna need to be dropping, dragging files all over the place, so extra ports, definitely awesome. So the last thing that I want to stress on this is that it is a true video media making powerhouse. I have just been flying, no stopping my creativity, no waiting for things. You press play, everything is smooth. 4K files, 6K files, 8K, you're stacking up on top. It is really almost my dream laptop. If they could fix this battery life thing, get a little more battery life for these chips, that would be great, but I don't mind having it plugged in, and I don't think you will either for the exchange of speed and power that we're getting in these things. So I mentioned the price. I got mine for $4,100. That only came with 2 terabytes of storage, but I'm using SSD drives more than I like. I think that's just a drop in the bucket when it comes to how much use I'm gonna get over the year until the next new laptop comes out, and it's gonna be faster and speedier than the Max. Prices will stay the same, the tech gets better, we all know Apple's little formula. So if you want to wait and see what happens, there is nothing wrong with that either. So I hope this video helped. Do yourself a favor, get a Max, stop staring at that export screen. You're gonna love it. And if you don't, take it back in 2 weeks. So thank you everyone. Please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you at the next one.